లాగానే పడుకుంటున్నాడు. దీనికి పట్టుకెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు.
That's the person who collected all these cards. Thing right there.
Virendra Hegde.
Huh?
His name is Virendra Hegde.
Okay.
You have to tell him. Sir? 1938 Austin Harley. Now show that card. తీసినావా సియా? Show the card. So a very pretty and very big card. You have to tell them about the cards also.
I will. You can't read it. It's an Austin 7 RM Saloon from 1931.
Where is Ravi?
Somewhere.
That's Austin. Austin is one of the old car companies. The Austin SRM. It's a Ford prefect. Motor cars are found by whom?
Morris 8 Series E.
Morris is the new MG Hector and all you see, right? Morris Garage, that's the same company.
So that is an Austin A40.
And it's from 1950.
1950. That's an old car.
Fraser F47.
This is Fraser F47 C5 Manhattan from 1947.
And it's manufactured in UK, see?
And it's manufactured in the United Kingdom.
Series? Buck series.
Buck Series 50 Super 8. Manufactured in Germany and manufactured in 1929.
Correct.
This is the car. And here we go. That car is an Opel Kadett. It's manufactured 1947 Germany.
Germany car.
Yes. And that car now. That's what we're
That's
doing.
the...
That's the Daimler DE 336. Manufactured in 1949.
And this is the car that belonged to Mysore Maharaja.
Mysore
See?
Maharaja.
There is Maharaja. This car belongs to the Maharajas.
Yes.
It's written there. Used by Maharaja.
Used by Maharaja.
Jay Chamarajendra.
XX Jay Chamarajendra Vadia. Okay, let's continue. Say hello, please. Hi. Okay. Say hello to my channel,
Hello.
please.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. So I'll just squeeze away. Let's continue, Nana.
So ఇది మహారాజా కార్.
Sorry about making this video a bit long. Motorbikes next. Look at all those motorbikes. Helping you. Okay, well that's not helping. We got to go there now.
Yes, we're going there.
Yeah.
Because the Maharaja's car.
Whoa.
సో పీపుల్ ని క్యారీ చేసేవారు.
అందులో కూర్చుంటే
నువ్వు గుర్తుందా మనకి?
4 people used to carry.
దేవుని
If you sat in that, 4 people used to fit inside. And 4 people used to carry that.
జర్మనీ యూకే అని కాదు.
Let's continue. Let's continue. Say hi to my channel.
ఏమని చూపిస్తున్నావేనా?
Say hi. Okay. Hi. Okay.
ఉడియా
Yes. Ravi. 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 Say hi. Say hello. Hello. Okay. Now we were looking at motorbikes. Yes, motorbikes.
సరిగ్గా పెట్టుకో, సరిగ్గా పెట్టుకో.
Nana, let's look at the motorbikes. So these are
motorbikes. This is Java. Java is the manufacturer of a motorbike.
Java. That is Yamaha over
That is
there, the
Yamaha.
red one.
RX 100.
Yamaha RX 100. That is Victoria. This one. This one is
Triumph.
Triumph. Triumph.
Triumph.
That up there I can't really.
That is Vespa.
పాత సినిమాలు చూపించేవాడు.
Yeah, Vespa. That's a Vespa. That's an Explorer up there, which I'm pointing at. That is a
Velocity.
Velocity in a fancy spelling. That is
Which one? This is an API way.
API vehicle. That over there.
Rajdoot. Rajdoot is one of
Raj-
the mopeds.
That is Raj. This is a Royal Enfield. That is an LML. LML. What is that?
TVS.
TVS, Vespa,
Scooty.
Scooty, Bajaj, Super FE,
ఇలాంటి వెహికల్ మన ఐడియా తెలిసి.
and this one, the last one. This one is
Rajdoot.
Rajdoot. Which
That
one
is the
is this?
Citroen.
And this
Citroen
is
is a new. It's a very old company. in
Citroen
France.
Traction Avant LLC 11 CV. Manufactured 1947. Manufactured France. Okay, let's continue. These are the top speed, horsepower, engine, torque, and transmission.
అవునా? నేను అప్పుడు ఇంకా తక్కువ ఉండాలి అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను.
ఏ సీసీ ఎక్కువ ఉంది.
Okay, let's continue. Okay,
This is a Hillman
so
Minx.
this is a Hillman Minx,
కార్
1952, manufactured in the United Kingdom. This is the car. Okay, let's continue. Zoom in, zoom in. This is an Austin A40 Somerset, 1952. This car. And then 1952 Hindustan 14, made in India. Yay. Hindustan 14. Next,
These are all Hindustan Motors cars.
1955 Hindustan Landmaster India. That's the other one. This is the Landmaster. Hindustan Ambassador Mark
Show
1.
the car.
This is
Car
the car.
is the important.
This is Renault.
MG.
Renault.
What's
This
that?
is Renault. 1969, manufactured France. Yes, let's continue. Chevrolet Bel Air.
మంచి రెయిన్ పాలిష్ చేసుకో.
That looks so nice. I like the color. Look. Okay, let's continue with it. Chevrolet Bel Air. This is the Chevrolet Bel Air, and this is the Studebaker Champion Regal Conestoga
Champion
station wagon, made in America.
Correct.
This is the car. 1955. Okay. So let's continue. Yeah, this is the perfect car. 1960. 1960 Peugeot 404 Berline Grand Tourism. Manufactured in France, 1960. Let's
That is
continue.
one of the most popular movie cars in US.
Most popular movie car in US. One of them.
Chevrolet Impala.
Chevrolet Impala. Yes, let me read it out for you. Let me just. 1965 Chevrolet Impala. Okay, Ravi, let's continue. Oh, that's a nice looking car. You can't see the real color. To you, it look blue, but it's really turquoise. Hillman Hunter, 1967, United Kingdom. And the other person who's talking, that's just my friend Ravi. Over there. There he is. Okay. The Opel Rekord Series B, 1965, Germany. Another floor to get to. Well, for this car. Hey, I showed this to you? No, I haven't. America, Studebaker Champion, 1947. Yeah, we saw that car. This is the car. Yes. Yeah, they both are kind of the same car.
Sir C.V. Raman is a Nobel Prize winner, first Nobel Prize winner from India. You know the Nobel Prizes?
Yes. First Nobel Prize winner in India.
Own this car. Sir C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman.
We have another floor to get to.
See?
Sir Chandra Shekhara Venkataraman, commonly known as C.V. Raman, was an Indian physicist born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, India. He passed away on November 21st, 1970. He is renowned. Yeah, I don't think you need to know this, but just read it all. This is a great time to pause the video and read all this. I feel lazy now. Okay, read all this. Okay, don't just make fun. Yes, now what were we doing? Going to the other floor, right, Ravi?
Okay. Now we have to pause the video.
Why?
We'll go to the next floor and then start again.
Nah, let's show them. It's fun to do that.
Show this one.
I want to make it longer too. Oh, there's a last car on this floor. Hey, you! That's a large farm. Yeah, I know. This is the last car. This car. I just got to read it for you guys. Yeah. Skoda Popular 2 420 Roadster, 1937.
Skoda.
This car. It's a Skoda.
It's a Skoda Popular.
Yes, this car. Yeah.
Car పెట్టు అది. Show the car.
Yeah, this is a car. Oh, these stairs look really fancy. Downstairs. I know. Because there's an astronaut in there.
They can fly in the sky.
That's so cool. Say that's so cool. Say it's so cool, please.
So cool.
That thing is really cool. Okay, these stairs are fancy stairs. They're not even stairs. So now, because we're just walking over here, I can tell you a bit more about this place. Hey, did we review that one?
We'll pause the video, we'll wait for Sridhar uncle to come and then we'll continue.
Wait, did we review that one?
Yes, we did.
Okay.
Pause it.
So for a minute, I just paused this video. Stairs. Hi. Okay, so guys, this is
Oh, sorry.
what happened. Okay, this is a military truck. Crash 260 military truck.
Made in Russia, Soviet Union.
Made in the Soviet Union, Eurasia. Manufactured 1981. This thing looks. Wow. Why are there sharks there? We don't know why there are sharks there. Hey, we missed the two. Nana, we missed the two. Oh, that's the end.
Radio truck anta.
Yeah, this is a Chevrolet military US Army KSI radio truck made in India, even though it was used in the US Army. And don't say things about KSI in the comments. Starbush Haflinger, 1967. By the way, this truck, I'll tell you, 1945. Yeah, 1945. This is a Starbush Haflinger, 1967, made in Austria. First Austria car. Yeah. Gaz 69, 1953. Russia. And I don't know why there's a cannon gun and some sacks there. What? Wow, that thing's huge. Okay, that's a Casper, a Mark II,
Yeah.
1945.
Show that.
This is the car. It's a truck.
Go back and show it slowly.
They have gun over there.
Huge army truck.
It's so big. Manufactured in Germany, used in the Indian Army, guys.
See, it looks like it was hit by a bullet.
Up
Wait,
there,
wait.
yeah.
On the mirror, see, there's a machine gun also on top.
Yeah, I can see it. See, there's a machine gun up there. I'm zooming in for you. Okay, this is too zoomed in for you guys.
హ్యూజ్ కదా అది ఎలా ఉందో చూడు ఒక కొండలా ఉంది.
Payana Museum, if you guys are
See,
wondering.
probably as tall as its tire.
Yeah, the tire is huge. Okay, this.
मुझे सवाल 11th अक्टूबर मेटल्स आ गए.
Look at that. Sorry about the wait. I'm just watching that video over there. So guys, done with the video. This next car. This is Willys Pickup 475. Manufactured in America. This is the truck.
Side
1958.
Come to this side and show.
I'll show you the side view right now. This is the side view. Looks crazy. Oh, I guess my friend has already found the way to the next truck. That thing is massive. I can't really give you a side view because there's a wall right here. Okay, this is a Ford truck V8, 1948, manufactured America. Look, it's written in Kannada if you don't understand. New
Tata truck.
Tata Truck 1210D. You can't read it. You can't read it, but new is written there. See, new. Made in India. This is a big, humongous truck. Made in India, 1973, guys. 73.
Now pause it for a minute.
So this is the next car, guys. Daston Bluebird 1.8 GL, 1983. Manufactured in Japan. Yes. This is it. Oh, it's Japan. I'll give you the front view. Front view, guys. Front view. I don't know who that is over there. That is a very popular hero in Kannada movies. Vishnuvardhan. Okay, next car. Woohoo. Bye. Next car. Fiat 1100 Elegant, 1100 Elegant, 1957. Of course, made in Italy. It's a Fiat, obviously. Okay, I'll give you a side view. You can't see the steering wheel, but it's a Fiat steering wheel. Fiat 1100 Select, 1100 103D, 1962, Italy, obviously. Now let's see if you can see the wheel with this one. The steering wheel has actually written Fiat on it, but I don't think you can notice. Yeah, I can notice. I can notice. That Fiat. Okay, Fiat 1100 Super Select, 1100 1033 and 1964, as told by my friend, Italy. Again, why are there so many Fiats here? I don't know. There are so many Fiats here. Fiat Delight, 1980, as told by my 700 Premier Pagani, Fiat Delight. Italy, obviously. Yeah, I don't. Jump to the next. Jump to the next. Like, let's continue. This is a Mercedes-Benz car. I haven't really read the thing. 1980 Mercedes-Benz 240D W123, manufactured in Germany. Obviously, Mercedes-Benz again. Mercedes-Benz. Yep, 1983 200D Mercedes-Benz. Germany again. All these Mercedes-Benz are going to be in Germany. Mercedes-Benz Class E. Mercedes-Benz Class E 2008 Germany. 1993 BMW E32 7 Series Germany. 1993. That's a BMW. Toyota Corolla 1.6 GL. That's the car. That's a BMW. 1990. This car is from Japan too. Yep, I didn't tell you that. Next car, Jaguar XJ6, United Kingdom 2005. Okay, just don't worry. Yes, it's been lots of time. I get it. I know it. 1989, Cadillac Fleetwood, America. By the time this video is uploaded, I'm gonna be at home, so don't ask me any questions about Mysore. 1989. Okay, let's close it. Okay, open it back up. Okay, what else are we supposed to do? I showed them.
Okay, pause it now.
Jump to the next one. So I didn't even record that the whole time. Oh shoot! I didn't even record that. I'm calling you. I didn't even record that the whole time. Oh shoot! I didn't even record that the whole time. A minute. Yeah. So car, it's literally moving. Check that out. Morris Woody 15.6. Manufactured in England 1934. Really jump to the next one now. By the way, I know the jump before was a huge fail. Yes, this car. A Mazda Luce 1500 SS. Yes.
Nobody wants your face.
SUV series.
Mazda. These are all Mazda cars.
Yes, it was 1967 Japan. Okay, let's continue. 1987
It's a
Standard
standard.
2000, manufactured
standard
in
company.
India. By Standard, I don't know why it's called that, but it's called Standard. Look at the next car. It looks so pretty.
It's the ambassador. But look there. There's a Mercedes-Benz. So go there. Go to the Mercedes-Benz.
I'll go, but I have to end. This is an Ambassador, Air Force, 1986. Contessa Classic 1.8 GL, 1991. Now let's jump to the next one. Jumped. Okay, Mercedes-Benz 8, manufactured in Germany, 19. The car. It's moving.
No, that's it. So that you can show these sides.
The side view is like that. It looks very nice.
Extremely beautiful cars.
Yeah, it really is beautiful. No sneak peeks of the next car. Yes, the front is absolutely nice. I guess let's jump to the next one. Okay, I'll just jump next to this one. Hindustan Ambassador, core manual 4-speed. This car is crazy looking right now. Read all this because I'm too lazy to. Yeah, I don't think you really want to read that. And that's my brother again for the 5th or 6th time. Should I jump to the next one? Let's jump. But there's a few over there. I don't need one over there. And then there are a few over there.
Decent cars.
It's okay, let's show them. Yeah, let's continue. 2000 Ambassador made in India. Well, that's a car. I don't really need to explain much about it. So let's jump to the next one. Guys, back. So, what is that thing? It's a Tempo Matador F 307. India, manufactured in India, origin Germany. 1996. Well, this thing looks. How do I go there? How do I show you guys the front view? Okay, well, that's the front view for now. I'll show it to you guys later. So I'll just show you the car before it. I forgot to show it to you. Look at that. What designs are those? But it does look pretty cool. So, Sipani Dolphin Saloon, India, 1985. This is the car. Looks cool and everything. Okay, next is this car.
That is Tata's old car. Maruti 800.
Cool.
Maruti
Okay.
Suzuki.
1985 Maruti 800, manufactured in India by Maruti Suzuki, as it's called nowadays.
This is Rowdy Tata's old car.
Reva Electric, 2008, India. Look at that thing. King, Barco, Brembo,
Show it from the front.
Rava. Okay, that is that car, and this is this car. Cool looking, right? Now, Field Marshal tractor, manufactured in Gujarat. No manufacturing date, however, I don't know. Gujarat, huh? It would actually be pretty good after it's old enough. Okay, that is a crazy thing. Manjusha Museum. We'll show you that thing later. That's just the viewing area. Just zoom you into that. That's just a viewing area that you can sit down and take a picture.
These are some new cars only.
These are some brand new cars, not brand new, but like they're like recent, 15 to 30-year-old. I just show you. I don't need to read them all for you. If you want to know, I'll do it in an upcoming video. Like after 1 or 2 years, maybe. Just kidding. I'll do it in this year probably. This is my second time coming here. Just to feel through all the people. Yeah, there. These are the cars you guys missed. I'm not reading them all for you. Who would that be? Well, time to jump to the next one.
Lots of
Back.
other museum in Dharmasthala, they kept them here. That is Veerabhadra.
This is
Veerabhadra, fierce form of Shiva.
Here it is. Great time to pause the video and read because I'm a bit lazy to read all this. If you know how to read Kannada, you may as well read the Kannada part. If you don't, just read the English part. Okay, you can pause the video, but I'm done showing this to you. And it's you again. Great, now let's go.
Come in, Sia, come in.
Photo. Coming, let's go. So this is a museum, a Dharmasthala museum. This is a great time to pause the video and read. I'm gonna read this by myself later.
These are from Performing Arts of Karnataka.
Cool. Okay, that's the Kannada version. If you know how to read Kannada, may as well read this. To
Come.
practice your Kannada reading. I'll try doing that as well because I know how to read Kannada. Look at that. And these are all of them zoomed out. Great. Read those things. Okay, I'm not doing this for nothing. Those are old kitchen supplies. Are they old kitchen supplies? Yes, they're old kitchen supplies. May as well read that. Okay, read it. Okay, I'm done showing. Read it. I'm doing this for your own good. And there's a very loud sound. Yes. This is some other stuff. I'll let you zoom in to see.
No, Manna.
Yeah. Yes, tell me. Those are different kinds of weights. You can read that if you practice your reading skills. That's a weighing stone.
This is a bow.
Okay, I'll show that to them first. Let me. Weighing stone. I'll show that to them. I'll show that first. I have to show these. Okay, just read.
డించిక్ డించిక్ చూడ దగ్గర అంటే పెద్ద డించిక్ డించిక్ ఉందో చూడ
Wow.
డించిక్ డించిక్
You read that, and now you can zoom out. And now I'll zoom out.
Big bow. Show this big bow.
Okay, now I'll show you the bow. This is a bow. It's really big and really cool. Look at that. Churner, butter churner or something. I don't know. I'm not old. Not all old people use butter churners, do they? I don't know why I can't stop yapping. I'm a yapper probably. Yapping, grapper. Please. Look at all this. Ooh, that's cool. Really cool. Look at that. That's a really old camera. Let me just zoom in for you to read the text.
Made in Japan.
Okay, made in Japan. Well, that's cool. Typewriter. A gold medal in Paris. This typewriter.
This is an adding machine.
And this is an adding machine. It's a number adding machine.
Number adding machine.
Number adding machine.
Same thing. This is also smaller
This
adding
is
machine.
also small adding machine. This is a junior toy typewriter. That's a theodolite. What is a theodolite? Crew, what is a theodolite?
So I think it's like a small telescope.
Small telescope. Thank you. Yes, look at this thing.
So these are all cameras.
These are all cameras.
So that's an old telephone. See?
Old telephones. Candlestick telephone.
So I used to talk like this and hear like this.
Ooh, that's so
This is a telescope.
రింగ్ రింగ్ చేయలేదు
This is a telescope. Okay, navy telephone. That's really cool.
Old iron boxes.
Old iron boxes. Wow, those look so small.
Okay. Pause them. Come here.
Wait,
They're all cameras.
these are just cameras. This is a clock. That's a barometer, and that's also a barometer. I don't know what those are. And these are the typewriters again.
Pause it and come.
I'll jump to the next one. Okay, guys, back. That's a Thomas Edison phonograph. That's a gramophone, a really old looking gramophone. If you don't know what those are basically music players. Portable gramophone, like a disc. Tea samovar, it's like a tea dispenser. Soda maker, you can make soda, so that's cool. Wine glass, the Denny John. Wine glass. Yes, we are back. Please just look at all that. Pause the video and read if you please. Okay, let's continue. Let's look at those things. I don't know what those all are. Just look at them. I don't need that. So continue. Whatever this is, it sure looks cool. It's a
Paper cutting machine.
that's a paper cutting machine.
Correct.
What's that?
That's the printing machine.
That's a printer, and that's a paper cutting machine. So these two are basically a pair. That's why they're shown together, I guess.
నీకేం కనిపిస్తుంది
Whatever that is, I don't know what that is.
Come here.
The other, these are different swords and stuff.
See,
We
guns.
don't need to
Swords and guns.
These are swords and some guns.
Small cannon. Small rifle.
That's a cannon rifle thingy. And that's a large fan. Well, it's not really shown here, it's just made for air. It's not switched on, so okay. Let's jump to the next one. Yeah, that's good. Okay, jump. This is a movie projector. That's cool. And what's this?
We used to put the reels inside this
Wheels inside this.
and they rotate it
Rotate it.
and the light will allow the
Light will allow the
picture to fall on the screen.
Okay, so those are some other things that I showed you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Now,
Leaving this place. We're done.
bye. We're leaving now. So bye.